Hello children, how are you all? Fine? That's great. Welcome to this new module, and today we are going to color a squirrel. Okay, you all know what is a squirrel? It is a tiny animal. Okay, it lives in a burrow, and squirrel likes to eat fruits and nuts. Okay, so today we are going to color a squirrel's picture. Okay, and in English today we are going to learn a new alphabet, that is Q. Okay, smaller case Q, and we will practice tracing and writing the smaller case Q. And in EVS today we are going to plant a seed. Okay, so you all like to plant, is it not? So today we are going to plant a seed, and not only that, you should water it daily and see how that seed grows. Okay, so we all will plant a seed today in our home, and we will watch how that seed is growing, and we will see, we will water it, and we will watch it how it is growing day by day. Okay, and then today what is the rhymes we are going to revise? That is hot cross buns. In the last module itself we learned that rhyme. Everybody knows that rhyme. So today you all will join with me to revise that rhyme. Okay, it is hot cross buns. Okay, and what is the fun activity? So today you have to dress up like a baker. Okay, you have to dress up like a baker, and you should recite this hot cross bun rhymes. Okay children, okay, come, let us recite the rhymes hot cross buns. Are you all ready children? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. If you have no sons, give them to your daughters. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. If you have no sons, give them to your daughters. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. If you have no sons, give them to your daughters. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. Okay children, practice these rhymes nicely and video record it and send to me. So today we are going to color a squirrel. Okay children, so now I am going to select a brown color. Okay, and now I am going to color the squirrel with brown color. Okay, So you should color inside the picture. Okay. See, I am coloring the squirrel with brown color. You can color this squirrel with your own favorite colors also. Okay. See, I have seen squirrels in brown color, so that is why I am coloring the squirrel with brown color, and you can color your own colors also. Okay. So for the face also, I am going to color it with brown, and only for the tongue, that is mouth, you have to color it with pink color or red color. Okay. And inside the eyes, it should be white. Is it not? And so finish coloring, and now I am going to select red color for the tongue. Okay, and the nose. Okay, and now the squirrel is having a fruit in its hand, is it not? So I am going to color this fruit with yellow color. Okay, the squirrel is having some fruit in its hand, so I am going to color this with yellow color. Okay. And for the squirrel's hand also, we should color it with brown color. So you should color this picture very patiently. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Okay, color it nicely. And now the squirrel looks so cute, and you can color it with the colors also. And if you want to color the squirrel with some other color also, you can color it, and fill the colors evenly and color this picture very slowly. Okay, then only this picture will look so beautiful. Okay children, see how nice the squirrel looks now, is it not? Okay, do it nicely. So today in English we are going to color the alphabet Q. Okay, so I am going to color this Q with purple color. Okay, see, first you have to write inside this Q. Now this curve and a standing line. Okay, this is curve and a standing line. Okay, so now after that I am going to color inside this Q. This is lowercase q. Okay, this lowercase q, small q. Q for queen, Q for quilt. Okay, Q for Q. Queue means people standing in a line. Is it not? We have to wait in a queue. Is it not? So that is a queue. And Q for queen. Q for quilt. What is a quilt? See, this is a quilt. Okay. In winter season, we need quilt to protect ourselves from cold. Is it not? So this is Q. And Q for queen. And next is, we have to trace this letter. Okay, this is capital Q. Is it not? See, this is capital Q. You have to trace it slowly. Okay, slanting line. And this is small q. Okay, small letter Q. Okay, children. So next is, we have to write and trace the letter Q. Okay, so I am going to trace this letter Q. See, a circle and a standing line and a small slanting line. Okay, a curve, a standing line and a small slanting line. A curve, standing line and a small slanting line. This is small q. Okay, from here you have to start a curve, a standing line and a small slanting line. You should not lift your hands. A curve and a standing line and a small slanting line. A curve, a standing line and a small slanting line. This is small q. Q for quiet. Okay, quiet means you should not make noise. Is it not? So a curve and a standing line and a small slanting line. A curve, a standing line and a small slanting line. A curve, a standing line and a small slanting line. Q. A curve, a standing line and a small slanting line. This is Q. A curve, a standing line and a small slanting line. Small q. A curve, standing line and a slanting line. Okay, children. So next is, you should learn how to write this alphabet Q with the help of this dots. Okay, see here we have two dots and a small dot below that. Okay, so from here you have to draw a curve and then a standing line and a slanting line. This is Q. Okay, a curve and a standing line and a slanting line. This is Q, small q. Okay, a curve and a standing line and a small slanting line. Okay, if anything goes wrong, you can erase it. Okay, and again you can write it. Okay, see, a curve, standing line and a slanting line. See, if you want to see it, see, now you will be able to write this. Okay, a curve, a standing line and a slanting line. Okay, a curve, a standing line and a slanting line. This is Q. Okay, a curve, standing line and a slanting line. A curve, a standing line and a slanting line. This is small q. Okay children, you can write till the end of the page. Write nicely.